Yeah, you don't have to be an electrician to do that. Did you see the steps that I did? Main thing is to get the right timer to replace that with, right? Okay, so now I'm going to turn the breaker back on and just one firm push back on. Looks good. Before I put the cover back on, I'll just double check everything out here and make sure that it works. And it should work. Okay. Let's get you in. And on these timers, you have to turn it at least 20 minutes. See right there? Here's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. It says turn past. You have to at least turn past to that. And then it will click on. Okay. And because the air conditioner was still on, when I shut the power off, it actually turned on. Had that been turned off, had this been off, okay, when you turn the timer on, and if that was off, then you're going to have to turn the power on right there. Or you take the handheld remote and turn it on, okay? And it's working. The only way for you to know if this is working 100% would be to run it for 4 hours. Let's say. Some of them you turn it on 4 hours. Sometimes, I just had another one I had to replace and it was stuck in the 2 hour position and wouldn't go any further. This one I think was stuck around 2 hours or 1 hour or something. So if you turn it less than an hour, it would still work. But if you turn it further than that, it wouldn't work. Okay, so you'd have to turn this all the way to 4 hours. But I've never once had a brand new Intermatic timer ever fail me when I first installed it. Okay, everything looks fine on here, and I'm going to call this job complete. Of course, before you get an entire job 100%, make sure you move your furniture back into place where you found it. That's part of the project. And I see there's some dimples in the carpet where it was before. And I want to keep it as close to those dimples as I can in case somebody wants to come and look at my handiwork to see if I pushed everything back into place where it was before. That's part of the project. Okay? Be mindful of that. That's all I got for this time. And I'll be back with more videos.